basic English grammar for those English is not their first language. Do you want to master and pronounce all 26 English letters in just 50 minutes? English letters like native. Let's start from the very beginning. This is 3 months English tutorial or lesson package for those English is not their first language. Starting from basic, the first month which you learn basic English, the second month intermediate English, the third month advanced English. I hope you master English within these 3 months that you must follow attentively. So let's get started. Basic beginner's English. Do you want to master and pronounce all 26 English letters in just 50 minutes? English letters like native. Let's start from the very beginning. This is the first week, first day, beginning English. This is week 1, day 1, 3 months English tutorial package from basic to advanced. Structured for 15 minutes daily. Lessons including grammar focus. The first month basic English, the second month intermediate English, and the third month advanced English. Let's get started the first day, the first week from letters or alphabets. Contents show all 26 English letters from A to Z with 5 vowel letters A, E, I, O, U. Sometimes Y act like vowels. For example, baby. In this noun, Y acts as a vowel. Y acts as a vowel. We will come to it to define. But the main vowels are A, E, I, O, U. 21 consonant letters B, C, F, G, H, J, K, L, M, N, P, Q, R, S, T, V, W, X, Y, Z are the remaining letters of the 26 English alphabets. Let's come to define why vowels are differentiated from consonants. Vowels are open. They are open, continuous sounds of speech that form or rhythm of every spoken syllable. When you pronounce vowel, your vocal tract remains completely open, allowing air to flow freely from your lungs through your mouth without any obstruction or interruption from your lips, tongue, teeth, throat. In English, their sounds are represented by the letters A, E, I, O, U, and occasionally Y, and they act as the musical backbone of words because a syllable cannot exist without one. That is the must to have these vowels. Consonants, by contrast, in the contrary to that, it means are the structured sounds that give words their shape and the boundaries by intentionally restricting that airflow. There is no airflow in the case of consonants. There is airflow in the case of vowels. To create consonant sound, you must actively use your articulators, such as closing your lips together for B. When we say B, as you can see me, B, I close my lip together to call B. Touching your tongue to the roof of your mouth for T. Or pressing your teeth against your lip for F. These 21 letters act like a structural skeleton, breaking up and shaping the open air of vowels to turn raw sound into distinct, recognizable speech. Write each letter capital and small, but the left side ones are the capital letters while the right ones are the small letters. Write each letters on this blank space 3 times for each A, B, B, up to the end. M. Also see the structure of the letters when we write in capital and small each letters. Let's say the structure of O is the same, but the capital O is big in size, while the small one is small in size, and it's completely different from the structure of the capital letter. P is somewhat similar. Q is completely different, and R is completely different. S is the same, except its size. T is different. U is somewhat similar. B is similar except it is size. W is similar except it is size. X is also the same. So continue writing and differentiating the difference between the two alphabets with capital and the small. Just exercise by writing their structure on this blank space 3 times each and exercise through all the letters. Continuously practice until you catch the way they are written. Match the letters with the words A, apple, B, ball, C, cat, D, dog. Just match the letters with the nouns at the right and read all through the uh, provided letters and the names. This is not only the representative of the noun for A, apple, age, angry, axle, uptight. All these are the names represented with the letter A at the beginning. B, ball, base, back, boy, baby. All these are started with capital B or letter B. So this is an example of writing nouns and the words with the letter starting at the beginning with A, B, C, D, or the rest of the letters just written at the beginning. This is to show how to spell or how to form nouns using capital or small letters. Nouns are started with capital letters. Write all these nouns and letters consecutively for many days until you master the spelling and the form of words. Pronounce each letter slowly and clearly. Here is alphabets or letters written in capital and the nouns started with capital letters. A, apple, ant, air, B, ball, boy, book, C, cat, car, cup. And so practice all these nouns in the alphabets. Also lion, lamb, leaf, man, moon, milk. Continue reading and matching all the nouns with the alphabets written at the left of these provided exercises. Van, violin, village, W, water, window, wolf, X, X-ray, telephone, xenon. And so continue reading until the end and the exercise. Show letters in the side. A, apple, B, ball, C, cat, D, dog, E, egg, F, fish. Ask the students to repeat from letter G to L. G, goat, H, hat, I, eyes, J, jam, K, kite, L, lamb. Clap and repeat together from M to R. M, milk, N, nest, O, orange, P, pen, Q, queen, R, rat. This is sample nouns for the letter provided. It is not only this representative nouns that formed by A at the beginning. There are a lot of nouns and words that can be formed by the letter starting at the beginning. This is an example to show the students to master how to form or write nouns with the letters or capital letters at the beginning of the nouns. Ask what letter is for pen. Say from Z, S, sun, T, tree, U, umbrella. Continue reading and matching the nouns at the right with the letters at the left. Fill the missing letters for these nouns. A is missed here, apple. B is missed here, ball. C is missed here, cat. D is missed here, dog. E is missed here, egg. Review game. Ask question. What letter is for dog? What letter is for dog? It is D written at the beginning of the noun dog. What letter is for apple? A is the beginning of the noun apple. What letter comes after M? It is N that comes after M. Now, you know all 26 English alphabets from A to Z, the difference between vowels and the consonants, what consonants are, what Vowels are practice every day. Repeat the letters and words about 3 times. Record yourself. Comment the letters you struggle with the most, and I will give you tips tomorrow. This is for today. See you in the next session.